So what is up with the Canon 80D and the Rode mic clicking? Did you hear it? I hope you did, because it's super annoying. This is what it is. If you are recording too close to a router, Wi-Fi, the mic will pick up those pulses. And I was like, what is that? Why am I getting, things brand spanking new? Did I get a piece of crap? Camera? Mic, what is it? So it turns out it's the router. So if you are filming by your router, turn it off. It does not seem to be bugged by Bluetooth. Bluetooth is on my computer, it's on my phone, it's all running, my mouse, my keyboard, everything's on Bluetooth. Doesn't seem to be a problem. If it is, not enough for me to cry about. But when you're by your router, super annoying. So that's what it is. If you are having trouble with that, or you're filming inside your house, you may have issues like that. So right now I'm probably 40-50 feet away from my router. It's downstairs, I'm upstairs. 10, 20, 30, 40 guesstimate, right? So, but when I was filming those, I was 7 feet, 8 feet from my router in the kitchen. Anyway, hopefully that helps some of you. This doesn't need to be super long-winded. I think you get the point. And this thing was brand new, and I was like, what is wrong with my camera? What a piece of junk. But it is not the equipment, it is the user. No. That's all there is to it. Super short. Bye.